obvious na excited ako. Excited talaga ako. Nakaka-excite. Ang pangit. Hi friends and family! So today we're gonna be unboxing the 11/11 Young Living sale. But before opening it to you guys, I just wanted to let you know a little bit of my history in Young Living. I have been using Young Living oils for about a year already. And as most of you who are probably watching right now know that I have been suffering from anxiety since 2018, and I have been taking some medications that are most likely gonna be with me forever. But of course I don't want that. This is why I was very open to trying different or trying to do more of the natural ways of getting off of the medication. And when I was introduced to Young Living, I was introduced to essential oils basically. At first I was hesitant because these are just oils. I was skeptical at first because these are just oils and the medications are not gonna help me 100%, then most likely the oils are not gonna help me at all. But since I am very open to trying different ways of healing, when essential oils are introduced to me, I said yes. And upon using the oils for almost a year now, I must say this has been a big part. This has been a huge part of my healing, and I just want to share it to everyone or anyone who would ask me about how I'm getting by with anxiety and depression as of today. I share it because the essential oils are basically natural, so why not try it, right? Actually, I've been purchasing a lot lately. I thought nung una hindi ako magpa-purchase afterwards. Mahal para sa akin ng oils. But eventually, after a year of using all of the oils in the starter kit, eventually, na-realize ko na these are oils that are, especially in this pandemic, I was able to use a lot of the oils. And so this is also the time that I realized these oils are essential to me on my daily activities. And now, without further ado, let's start opening the boxes. We ordered for 11/11. Of course, the boxes were disinfected already, but the insides are not yet. So I still have my spray bottle here, disinfectant spray, and a towel. I'm excited for the name shirt, actually. The name shirt, which was part of the 11/11 sale. And I'm excited to have my husband and I try it as our natural supplement. Some of the orders here are not actually mine because some of them are ordered to me only. So, yeah, I'm also excited for them. Alright, so buksan muna natin ito. Peppermint. Here, one of my favorites now. And lavender. 5 ml. These are 5 ml. And lemon. These are actually not my orders because I already have them pa. So I'll put it back. So these are for Ate Mel. Oils are this is for me. I ordered this one. This is not a part of the sale, but this is the tea tree oil for my husband, son. I papagamit ko sa husband ko and my son for their eczema. And the other one is rosemary. Ito naman para sa akin. An additional oil for my nighttime oil na pinapahid ko sa scalp ko for for hair growth. These are not the part of the sale items, but I just ordered them for me and my husband. I want to smell. Let's see what the smell of the tea tree oil is. Parang ipagka-sandalwood siya. And the rosemary, of course, I know what the rosemary smells, but I just want to smell the essential oil. It's somewhat minty. Kamahapon sa kanya. For the Ningxia. Ito siya. Naka-egg crepe. Parang egg crepe. And I have 2 of the sale items now. Excited to try them. For my husband and I. For the second box, dito nakalagay ang roll-ons. Now I have deep relief roll-on and the peace and calming and the breathe again. Breathe again is not for me. It was ordered to me, and the deep relief too. This one I'm excited to try. The peace and calming. This one naman, I still have another one, which is the frankincense. Frankincense is also a sale, part of the sale, and this was ordered to me as well. I'm excited to deliver them already. And this one is the Thieves. There. The Thieves laundry soap. I'm gonna try this for my son kasi he has eczema. The oils are actually good, working well. May mga times pa rin na scratchy siya. So, I still wanna try and see the effectivity of this Thieves soap, laundry soap. And that's all for my 11/11 Young Living sale items. So there you have it, guys, for the 11/11 sale. Ito yung mga in-order ko. And some of the items here are not mine. These are orders for me. And basically, ito lang yung order ko. This one and this one. And 2 of these. This 2. And the peace and calming. I'm excited to try the peace and calming for my anxiety. And what else? I've already tried this one, the deep relief. This is very effective for headaches and such. This one, immune boosting supplement for me and my husband. The rosemary oil for my hair, additional oil for my hair regrowth. And the tea tree for my husband's eczema and my son's eczema. And this too for my son's soles. I'll be trying this for him just to see if it's gonna lessen more of the scratchiness or itchiness.
A few moments later.
Like parang sa inyo, try ko na siya with peace and calming. Sobrang may halo. I think may halo itong frankincense. Kasi parang may naamoy yung frank sa kanya. Kasi frank is very calming, to be honest. And I feel like it's part of it. But looking into it, parang wala. But it's really good. Money tonight. Before ako matulog. Oh, it has citrus smell as well. I hope you like this video. Please do give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!